Get ready to add some textured elegance to your projects. Check out this gorgeous border. I just love how the cable chain stitch creates such a bold and defined line, and the weaving adds a beautiful layer of texture and dimension. It's perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to any project. First, let's mark our stitching lines. I'm using this lovely maroon linen, some embroidery floss in a contrasting color, a needle, a ruler, and some scissors. Want to learn embroidery? My complete beginner to pro course is now on Udemy. 20 essential stitches, fun projects, and assignments to boost your skills. Check the link in the description for a special discount. I've chosen a light beige floss with 4 strands for a subtle, elegant look. Now let's start stitching the cable chain stitch. Bring your needle up through the fabric at the beginning of the first line. Wrap the thread around the needle once. This creates a loop on your needle. Insert the needle back down into the fabric a short distance away from where you came up. Make sure to keep the loop on the needle. Bring your needle up from the back, then loop the thread under the needle and pull it through. Continue in this way, following the line and creating a chain of linked loops. Try to keep your stitches consistent in size and spacing for a neat and tidy look. Repeat this process for each of the 4 lines, creating 4 parallel rows of cable chain stitch. The cable chain stitch is a versatile stitch that can be used for a variety of purposes, from creating outlines to filling in shapes. It's also a great stitch for beginners because it's relatively easy to learn. Now for the weaving magic. With the same light beige floss, we're going to weave between the first and second rows of cable chain stitch. Starting from the left, weave your needle over and under the stitches, creating a zigzag pattern. It's a beautiful way to add a touch of handmade elegance to your garments and home decor. Follow the contours of the cable chain, moving from left to right and then back again from right to left. Repeat this weaving pattern between the second and third rows, and then between the third and fourth rows. As you weave, you'll notice a beautiful textured pattern emerging. It's like creating a woven tapestry with your stitches. And there you have it, a stunning woven cable chain border. This pattern is so versatile, you can use it on all sorts of projects. Imagine this border adorning the edges of a tablecloth, the neckline of a dress, or even the cuffs of a jacket. You can also use this technique to create decorative leaves, floral motifs, or even abstract designs. Experiment with different color combinations, thread types, and weaving patterns to create your own unique creations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handiworks for more stitching inspiration. Happy crafting!